Hey, I'll show you a cool high-low.
It might turn into a quarterly thing. I don't know. We'll see how it goes.
The week nuts are killing.
Thank you.
Yeah, my daughter does so many YouTubers. The week nuts are killing. On the right down there, by the dealership. I love that black Ford. I've seen it all over TikTok. Oh yeah, I saw that there the other day.
More from Crazy Riders, guys. High-low, Biscayne. Hydraulics, we got it here. Oh. All right, we're going to talk to the owner, man. We're going to do stories behind the rods right here. Hey, let me introduce you to Marcos.
Yes, sir.
Hey, man. Congratulations on your car. I love it. Tell me, we do those stories behind the rods, and you know this is such a cool car. I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about what you do, how you do it. I'm gonna get on the other side of this, and let's talk a little bit about it.
All right.
Marcos, how long you had your car?
Right around 2 years.
2 years.
Yes, sir.
And what year you got?
It's a 1961 Chevy Biscayne.
I want to tell you up front, very nice car.
Thank you.
Talk to me a little bit about you. I guess you've probably done most of the work yourself.
Actually, my father-in-law did. He had it. Man, I don't know what year, but back in the day, he bought it in parts. So he bought the car, and he had to go get doors, and he bought the whole car in pieces pretty much, and he put it together back in the day, got it painted and whatnot. And
What
then,
motor you running?
It's still a straight 6, all original, 3 on the column.
Oh yeah. Before we go, we'll lift that hood and let them look at it.
All right.
So mainly just a driver, daily driver, or how often do you take it out?
At least once a week, but I mean, it can be a daily
Right.
driver. I mean, it'll turn right on.
Yeah, yeah. And I noticed you got hydraulics. Did you set that up yourself?
Yeah, me and my father-in-law, we put it together.
Yeah. You know, on this segment like this, we like to get people that's either built the cars or had the cars or driving the cars, and try to get other people involved. And you know, most of the time we see people, they're just either scared to get into it or think it's going to cost $20,000 for a car. I know you got to spend money on them, but you know, this hobby is not just for rich people, right?
Right, it's not
Talk
at
a
all,
little bit
man.
about how you got it and what you've done, and about what you had to do to this car.
Well, I started off, I bought a 1966 Impala, and I mean, I just plain Jane car, got it running and driving, and I sold it, bought another one, sold it, bought then I ended up getting a Regal, bought and sold that
Stepping
one.
up.
Stepping up, and I sold them all, and then built my money up to buy this one, and then just started saving slowly. It took me about 6 months to get the hydraulics. I mean, just slowly, just working and saving. It's not hard. I mean,
It's your determination, number one,
yeah,
right?
If you want to get on the road, go get on the road. I mean, when I got it, it ran, but you couldn't trust it. I mean, I did a full tune-up and got it running to where right now I can take it to Dallas and back, no problem.
Right.
And I've done that before.
And I think that's what these cars are for, cruisers.
Yes, sir.
Get out and enjoy these cars. Put your family, get in them, put your wife, whatever you got, go yourself and get out. And you don't have to go to car shows, or you don't have to spend $20,000 to get a car like this. You can get into it, start it on your own, and make it your own deal, right? And that's kind of what you did to this, isn't it?
Yeah. That's pretty much what I did. I mean, I started with other ones, like I said, and just and built my way up to get this one. I mean, this is a higher dollar car. And
Let's talk a little bit about the hydraulic system that you put. Is this something that have you had hydraulics in the cars before, or
No,
this is your first hydraulic?
Yeah, this is my first hydraulic car. I just drop them usually.
And you're with a group, Crazy Riders,
Yes,
right,
sir.
in
Out of
Jacksonville. You know that you guys have been really good. Y'all invited me to come to that, and I'm really gonna have to make that. He said it was on a Tuesday night or whatever.
Yeah,
and
every second Tuesday of the month. there's
Under the bridge?
A cruise night, yeah, under the bridge.
All right,
downtown.
YouTube, you hear that? If you're from East Texas, Palestine, Jacksonville, deep East Texas people, he's inviting you out. Come to it. It's under the bridge in Jacksonville. They have a really cool deal going, getting bigger.
Yeah.
I heard good things about it. You guys are getting bigger. All kind of cars, right?
At our draft house, I mean, they have a restaurant there. You can, go out there and eat, have dinner.
Man, Marcus, I appreciate that. You know, it's people like you that we get out to talk to. You tell us a little bit what you've done and encourage other people to get, right?
Yes, sir.
Wouldn't you tell your friends, hey, man, get into it.
Yeah.
You have a lot of fun. Meet new people.
it's something different. I mean, you don't see a car like this every day, and I mean, if you're on the highway or whatnot, even in town, you sure will give a lot of attention. And I mean, you don't see a lot of people with these kind of cars. Everybody wants a brand new car. I mean, it's not the same. It's a whole different gig. I used to have a brand new truck, and it's just not the same, you know.
You're right. Man, look, I appreciate it. We're Rat Nation, and we talked to Marcus and a few other people out here from the Crazy Riders, and they're in Jacksonville. I'm sure they'd love to see you out out at their place. But you heard it from him. Get in with it and start on it. Pull something out of the woods if nothing else, right, Marcus?
Yeah, that's just
All right,
like
buddy.
that.
I appreciate you talking
sir.
to us.
Thank you.
All right, now take care.